ट्रास्टनिबो बारग' आफादगिरि सासे आरो दानि MCLA रोंगोरा by Upendranath Brahmo Trust. Dear Sir, the Upendranath Brahmo Trust is really pleased to declare your name for the 16th Upendranath Brahmo Soldier of Humanity Award 2019 for your commendable contribution to the development of Bodo literature in particular and literature of the Northeast India in general. Your first poetry collection, Okrang Gongse Nango, published in 1975, may be called a milestone in the history of Bodo literature. It is believed that the indigenous communities who are in a state of constant struggle, such as the Bodos, received the new fillip and direction because of this book. After the publication of this book, you penned several remarkable books, mainly poetry, essays, and short stories. For your Raitai Mala, you were conferred Tagore Literary Award in 2009, and it was followed by esteemed Pramod Chandra Brahmo Award for Okrang Gongse Nango in 2013, and the prestigious Sahitya Academy Award for Baidi Denke Baidi Gap in 2015. Through your remarkable literary creations, you have played the role of torchbearer in the people in general and the Bodos in particular. Apart from being a renowned writer amongst the Bodos, you have served the society as a good teacher and genuine social worker throughout your life. During your tenure as the president of Bodo Sahitya Sabha, Bodo language received the status in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. They were the first indigenous language of the country to be included in the 8th schedule. The Upendranath Brahmo Trust would like to honor you as one of the true sons and daughters of the country who love their land, whose hearts go to the suffering section of the society, and who believe that all human beings are entitled to the rights for equality and human dignity. Dear Sir, in recognition of your praiseworthy work for the society in general and domain of literature in particular, the UNB Trust hereby confers upon you the 16th Upendranath Brahmo Soldier of Humanity Award 2019 on this day, 26th October 2019.
Sir Birumala are be Mamuni Reshon ko sabi 2014-15 award ang award presentation. All be award of Angdong Jebumon, Angdong Sab the Sodom. Arago Hatiao, Vitamna Punum, you will be here. They guys in a situation for 9 and 8 or high. Okraja of Nayadan, they will go to an end. Are Zate. Oranda Kumara Mosarni Be Mabaya, Berama, Tabina Hanam to you, Akliko, Mass Player, Column, Jing over Mass Player, Column, Odalpio Mass Player, Column, Wasago Mass Player, Column, Algum Gum Zago Mass Player, Column, Core Picas Nedamo, then Sasset Sulagri, Sasset Virat, Mane. मोजां मानसि जाथे जोंनि गेजेराव आरो बिनि लंगि पिटिया थांनानै थानायनि बे लंगि पिटिया जाथे थाबावो
আজি 26 অক্টোবৰ 2019 এনুৱেলি 2004 পৰা দি আহিছে এই এৱাৰ্ড উপেন্দ্ৰনাথ ব্ৰহ্ম সোলজাৰ অফ হিউমেনিটি এৱাৰ্ড এণ্ড আৰু এইটো 16 আজি 16 Soldier of Humanity Award to Amar Brojentu Kumar Brahma, the one who is known for his literary contribution to the development of Boro language and literature. So, here uporote base kori Sir Brojentu Kumar Brahma, a 16 Uphendranath Brahma Soldier of Humanity Award to dia hol ei bochor karone. Award the citation eta case award money 1 lakh and memento of father of the Bodos Uphendranath Brahma memento aro soul Hindi কাপোৰ এইবিলাকে আৰু কিবা আগত 50,000 পিছত আমি ভৰাই দি পেলাই 1 লাখ কৰি দিলো আৰু
थुनलाइ आरो राव जुदि गैयाब्ला कुनु हारियानो थांना थानो हाया बे खेत्रआव मा बुङो
बेयो दिनै जोङो माने दानि 21st सेन्चुरि 21 शतिकायाव 21 जौथायाव जोङो राव आरो थुनलाइ आरो हारिमु बे मोनथाम बुस्थु गैयाबा मोनसे हारिया गोगोम गेरेमसा जाया बेखौ बयबो मिथिखायो आरो दिनै समग्र जोङो मुलुगाव नुनो मोनदों जे थुनलाइ आरो हारिमुनि गेजेरजों माने हारिमु जौगानायनि गेजेरजोंसो मोनसे हारिया मुलुग दरबाराव माने थांनानै थानो हायो दिनै ब्रजेन्द्र कुमार ब्रह्मनि जिथुनिखि UNBTआ मोनसे बान्था होदों जिथुनिखि फायखि बान्था होदों बे बान्थाया आं सानो जे गुबै मानसिखौनो सायख'दों आरो बियो सासे थुनलाइगिरिल' नङा समाजकर्मी समाज फोसाबगिरि आरो बिथाङा सासे शिक्षाबिद सासे सोलोंथाइगिरि आरो समाजखौ मोजां मोनग्रा सासे सुबुं गतिके दिनै बे UNBT ट्रास्टआ दिनै सासे मोजां मानसिखौनो सायख'दों आरो दिनै बेवहाय माने गोबां बाथ्रा ब्रजेन्द्र कुमार ब्रह्मनि बिथाङा बेवहाय दिनै नोरजिया जानानै सिलिगुरियाव दंबाबो बेनि बागै गोबां खोथा ओंखारदों बिथाङा जेब्लानोखि आफादगिरि मासिखौ लायो बर' थुनलाइ आफादनि गल्डेन जुबली सेसन बासुगाव 2002 मायथाइयाव बेनिफ्राय बियो 2008 मायथाइसिम आफादगिरिमोन आरो जोंबो मावफानो मोनदों आरो बिथांनि जिथुनिखि सिन्ताधारा बिथांनिखि साननाय बे गावस्रानाय सेरखाय बेरखाय जानाय बर'फोरखौ खौसे खालामनाय बायदिसिना बे रावखौ माने अकल खालि बर' रावखौल' जौगाब्ला जानाय नङा असमनि जिবিলাক थागिबि हारि माहारिनि राव दङ बेखौ जौगानायनि थाखाय जोङो मोनसे कम्पोजिट कालचार आरो कम्पोजिट लेंगुवेज डेभेलपमेन्टनि थाखाय जोङो सानदोंमोन